Hello everyone, I'm Divya, your math facilitator. So I have been seeing many mails, many messages, and many comments, and here I am with a special announcement for class 10 with a 60 days plan for both AP, TS, and state boards, and it's a must see plan. So do watch the video till end so that you will know how much we are working for you, and you will also know how much you have to work for yourself, right? So let's start. So as I told you, we have received so many mails, messages, and even in the comments, students writing me to have to study, have to pass the examination, and maths is a really difficult subject. How can I score good marks in maths, and how to pass in maths? Okay, and how to complete my syllabus within this short period of 2 months because I have not started my revision yet, not started my preparation yet. So these are various questions which I am getting through all the media. So what I have done is I came up with a solution for you. Okay, I came up with a 60-day plan. So now in this month of March, you will finish the remaining chapters. Whatever chapters are remaining for you, you will finish all the remaining chapters. Okay, now while you finish the remaining chapters, you will also see if there are any new concepts. You will learn the concept thoroughly in the month of March, right? And if there is any student who have not even started your preparation, then what are you doing? Yeah, it's board exam. It's not a simple slip test. It's a board exam. Are you at least able to understand the seriousness? You have to start your preparation right now. This class 10 examination memo will be with you for your entire life. Yes, I understand corona has, so your schools are shut down, and now even if they have opened, so you will anyway, you will get passed out. Okay, you will anyway get passed, but that is not your goal. That should never be your goal, because you will pass out, and sometimes after 5 years when you go and apply for a job, after class 10 marks is also important. Your intermediate marks no one will ask you. They will ask you your final certificate and your initial certificate, which is your class 10. So class 10 certificate is so important. And then then they will not consider that, acha, this student is from a corona period student, so let's consider him, though his marks are less, so let us take him. No, never. So this is really important for you, and please take the advantage. You have 2 months with you, so please start your preparation right now. You prepare your notes, you take any book, any material, see anyone's videos, do anything, but you have to get good marks. You have to get good percentage. That should be your aim. So start your preparation right now. Do anything, do or die. But you have to score good marks in your board examination, right? Take help from anyone. That does not matter. All that matters is your memo, is your mark sheet, right? Getting the point, getting the importance. So start your preparation right now, right after this video, right now. Okay, so April month should be completely for revision. You will only revise the concept which you have learned till the end of March, right? And revision is really important, because if you don't revise, you will forget whatever you have studied. There is no use of studying if you don't revise. So revision is really important. Then May month, you will only practice. Okay, only practice the old question papers. Okay, so do practice so that you will know what type of questions will come in your board examination, and you will score more than 90%. That should be your goal, right? So for this, what are we doing? So you have asked me many things like how to complete the syllabus within this short time and all. So I came up with a crash course. Okay, this crash course is a 50-day crash course. Okay, we are going to complete the entire syllabus within 50 days, and 10 days you will have practice sessions. Okay, practicing your previous year and all, and you will also have a doubt clearing session. You will also be given notes, and you will also have mock test, chapter wise mock test, right? So this entire package will give you, in this short period, you will be able to complete your entire syllabus and gain 90% marks, right? So you take this course, or you take any course from outside, go to tuition, do anything you want, but you have to score good marks. And let me tell you, for this course, the cost estimation, We have estimated the cost. So teacher cost, lighting cost, editing cost, technical cost. There are many technical things which follows to make a video. So the technical cost, content writer cost, number of videos, server cost, bandwidth cost. So in analyzing all these costs, so we have estimated it is around 4,000 for the entire course. Okay, for the entire course. But trust me, so we have understood the pain. Previously also we have launched a course, but we have got many requests from our students saying that, madam, we cannot afford so much of cost. Yes, we understand your pain, you cannot afford so much of cost. So what we have done is, I have reduced all these costs. Okay, I have reduced all this cost. I'm not charging you. I will not take even a single rupee from you for any of this. All these costs I will do it from my pocket. I'm not charging you because I know you're still a student and you cannot afford 4,000, right? So only cost I want you to pay is the server cost and the bandwidth cost. Okay, what is the server cost? Because I will be giving you so many videos, all the chapters completed, I will give you all the videos. So all the videos are storing in the app, so that storage cost we will have to pay. So that is not avoidable. So all these costs we have avoided, but this cost has to be paid. Okay, so for this cost it is around 850. Okay, 850, and the videos are going to store till your board examinations. Okay, till your board examinations you can come, see the videos how many ever times you want, and practice the mock test. You will also have doubt solving session. You will also have notes which are given to you. You can practice, you can read from the notes. So till your board examination this course is going to help you a lot, right? And it's only 850, 850 rupees for the entire max of your class 10. Isn't it amazing? So please take this course right now. If you're not willing to take this course, don't worry, you can do anything. Okay, do or die, but you have to score 90% in your board examination, and that is my aim. Because I have been working for you from the COVID time. I have been making videos for you. I have been working for you only with the intention that you should not be at a loss. And to be frank, class 8 fan base is more for me, more than class 10. But I am working more for class 10 because I know the importance of class 10. And please, you also understand the importance of class 10. And this is the time, if you miss this time, then you will miss a very good opportunity to build your career, right? So this is so important. So for just rupees 850 you will get the entire mathematics. So do tell your parents, inform your parents, and enroll to this course right now. Okay, so I'll just keep the course live from tomorrow, so you can enroll to this course. I'll just give you the link of how to download the app and enroll to the course. And also I will give you a free video so that you will know how am I teaching in the course and how will you get the course. Okay, entire structure of the course you will understand from that video. So by seeing the video you will know that one chapter we are covering it so quickly, covering each and every little point of the chapter, every important question, every exercise problem. Okay, so this complete package is going to help you a lot. So enroll right now so that you can schedule your studies. Please don't postpone it anymore. Enroll right now. And yes, there is one more point which I wanted to convey is that I'm giving you recorded classes in this, because the reason is schools have opened and most of you don't want live classes. So you can see record, if the classes are recorded and given to you, you can see it anytime, whenever you get time, whenever you wish to, and you can prepare for your board exams, right? So these are the reasons, and this is why we have come up with crash course. And you can enroll to this course, and the cost is 850, which is really minimum. So for this minimum cost you will not get anything in the market. This is very minimum cost which I am costing only for the server cost and the bandwidth cost. That's it. No other cost I'm charging it on you. All the cost I'm taking it on myself. And as I told you, class 8 is my fan base, but still I'm struggling for class 10 only because I know the importance of it, and I want you all also to understand the importance of it. And if you have not started your preparation, please start it right now. And if you don't want to take this course also, it's not at all a problem, but still do something. Yeah, I will definitely ask your results. Once your results are out after examination, you will have to share with me your results, so that I'll be so happy, I can't tell you. I have been working for you so much, and I want you also to work for yourselves now, from this day, from this moment, right now. Close the video. जाओ कोर्स को enroll करो, enroll the course right now. It's just 850. Talk to your parents, start your preparation, make your schedule, right? So the course will be live from tomorrow, March 10, and don't waste even a single day, right? So I'll meet you. Thank you.